Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got 2018 5.7 Hemi and a 1500. Got ticking coming from the engine. This one's going to be an exhaust manifold. It's going to be the passenger side. So I'll show you what we got going on, show you how I fix them. Some of you guys might do it a different way, but this is the best way I found, and I have never had an exhaust manifold bolt that I can't get out this way. So pay attention, we'll show you. So when we first get it into the shop, what I like to do is get under here and find out which manifold's got the broken studs. Now this one right here, I can just grab a hold of this manifold, pull it away. You can see that stud broke up there. So I know that one's leaking. I've already gone through and checked the driver's side. It likes to break the top front one, and I've already checked it, it's not broke. None of the back ones are broke. So we don't need to recommend doing the driver's side one, just the passenger. So keep on watching. I'll show you when we get her apart. All right, so I welded on a couple tacks to the end of that stud. Then I welded one of the other studs right onto the end of that thing. Let's see how easy it comes out. There you go. So there we go. Yeah, it's not hard. Anybody wants to tell you that it is hard, they're, just trying to inflate their ego or something, but these things come out so easily on an aluminum head, just welding them out. You can't beat it. I don't like to use nuts. Doesn't seem like you get enough of a surface area weld. A lot of people have a lot of success using the nuts. I don't. I'm throwing all these studs away anyway because they're old. These studs break, so I'm going to put all brand new studs in here for this guy, and they're not going to have a problem with this manifold for quite a while longer. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.